Papa Don't Preach. And I'm wearing silver gown for the first time, so yeah, I love it. Actually, I mean, award functions are actually one place where you meet almost the entire industry all together, and lots of great performances, some really deserving awards, and a fun night.
When do we see you start promoting Ramta?
Start promote when it is releasing a little before that, obviously, but yeah, I mean, it's now releasing in June, so I guess a month before that, I'm assuming.
Always keep hearing income reports about you and Sushant.
I also keep hearing always what to do. We're left with about 3 songs, and this was my fastest film, I think. एक schedule में 45 days में almost पूरी film खत्म करना. But it was so much fun, such great people, awesome actors, and it's a script which is very well written and something which is very different for me to do. So I totally enjoyed it.
Christmas and New Year plans and
No plans. I'm in Mumbai only for now, and mostly my plans are more last minute because I never plan well. So, well, I would just wish all the viewers a very, very happy New Year, and may your New Year be whatever you dream it to be, and wish you lots of happiness, lots of love, and lots of success.
thank you, Kriti. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Sonam, you looking very beautiful. What are you wearing tonight?
It's Yanina Couture.
Okay. Excited about Stardust Awards. We are really hoping it's you for New Year.
भगवान जाने.
Also, many congratulations for the award that you won in the Middle East. So far, Nirja, that you won recently. How exciting and how privileged do you feel when you win this award?
I don't think it's my award. I don't know what to say. I'm very thankful that people are recognizing my performance, but I don't know how to accept it or think about it.
New Year plans?
Yeah, it's my dad's birthday. तो हम उनका birthday जो है वो Christmas पे गिरता है. So we actually always do a family thing.
You also love Anil Kapoor's music. He's looking at least 20 years old.
Yeah, he is. I think so. मैं उनको कहती रहती हूँ कि उन्हें one day or the other he has to start behaving like my father. Yay! He's looking handsome also. He deserves it. And more for him in the future. Thank you.
Before you leave, can you wish your viewers for the New Year?
Yes, a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Also, we met Ranbir recently.
Ranbir's here? Okay.
What's up?
You look so good.
Thank you.
Karno khatam kar rahe? You gonna come back?
I'll wait around. I'll be like backstage.
Winning your first Stardust Award, how happy is the feeling and
I'm very happy for him.
It's great because it's really awesome. First of all, when people watch your work, and then to appreciate it is amazing because you put so much into it. So for people to recognize that, that's great, and this is amazing, and I'll be grateful forever to Stardust. It's awesome.
you guys discuss what can
Of course, it's such a big part of our lives. So how can we not? So definitely we do that. We do that a lot.
really exciting to be here. This is the season of awards, and every award has its charm. So this is actually going to be my first Stardust Award. So I'm quite excited about it.
Ma'am, also, iconic song Amma Amma has been remade for OK Janu. I'm sure you must be aware of it.
Yeah, I'm very keen to see what they've done with the song. I hope it's as good as the original.
Do you think, iconic song should be remade, should be done?
If it's done well, why not? But if it's not done well, then I do object. Thanks. Yeah, but not now. Maybe after 15-20 years. Yeah. Yeah, part 1 can be written now. Hopefully, yes. Yes. Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy 2017. Love you guys.
Thank you very much, but I'll prefer in English.
Yeah, this is your first performance at an award ceremony.
It is.
How was it and how exciting was it?
It was amazing, It was a great energy on the stage, and the dancers helped me so much, so I really enjoyed it.
Right. Your music album is also being highly appreciated. So anything on that front you would like to
Himesh's album, yes,
Right, yeah.
and our song seems to be very well received by the audience, so I'm very happy about that.
Now that you have performed here and you have done a lot of stuff, what is keeping you away from Bollywood?
I don't know, music is my passion, so I'm following this passion.
Right. Salman's birthday is also coming up. Any special plans on that front? What will you like to gift him this time around?
I don't know, all my respect and my love.
Okay. Alright. Salman was also here as a senior performance. He was there yesterday for the technical awards and so any tips or inputs that he shared with you as far as performance goes, because he's a pro out there.
I've said it before, when you enjoy what you do, when you just be yourself and you enjoy yourself, then
But no, any special tips from Salman that you perhaps received?
this is the tip that I think we should all follow, right?
Right. What are your plans for the new year?
For the new year, I don't know, just to do more that I love.
But will you
These
be-
are my plans for the next year, actually.
Okay, but will you be in India?
Yes, I'll be here.
And any plans for December 27th?
Yeah, probably I'll celebrate.
One will, right?
We'll see. We'll
All right.
see. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Excuse me? Okay, everyone, wish you a lovely, happiest new year, full of love, and wish you to have all the near ones, the loved ones near you. That's it. Okay. तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल दो लफ्जों में बयां ना हो पाए. Thank you. Thank you, you too. Happy New Year. Bye.
Rishika ji, the entire nation is awaiting Padmavati. How is the shooting been going on?
Padmavati we are not doing. Padmavati we are not doing. Haji? Yeah. How did you like it? लोगों का रिएक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है. सो अभी ट्रेलर पसंद आया है. जैसे हम उम्मीद करते हैं अगर ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है तो उम्मीद ही वैसी ही होती है कि लोगों को पिक्चर भी पसंद आएगी. आज के शाम वही स्टारडस्ट हमेशा इज़ अ वेरी आई डोंट इट्स डन मैनी ईयर्स. मैं हमेशा आती हूँ तो यही है कि इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अवार्ड्स फॉर मी. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑल आर हियर.
Padmavati, because it was such a prestigious project. Why? Because you and Sanjay share a band.
Yeah. Maybe not this project. We're doing other projects with him. The timing we had already committed a lot other, but it's just that this project we've not done. We are doing
Any regrets about letting it go?
See, it's always a pleasure working with Sanjay sir, but sometimes it's opportunities. Let him work with others also, and I'm sure we'll work the other projects together. Yeah, thank you. एक तो ये रात बहुत ही स्टार स्टडेड है. I just saw few of my favorites hosting the show, like Hitesh, Abhishek, Farah. They're people I really look up to. Farah and Hitesh, of course, I've worked with, so I know them. They're just fabulous on stage. And I saw Sushant's performance and amazing. I mean, he's done such a fabulous job on stage. बहुत कम लड़के होते हैं stage पे perform करते हैं. I think he performed very well. And well, I'm just hoping that everybody who really deserves wins these awards, because I know for a fact that these award functions actually make actors feel validated, feel good about what they've done all throughout the year. So I think it's a great night, and I really wish all the best to all the nominees, and congratulations to everybody who's won awards tonight.
How excited are you for the Queen remake that you're doing?
I am super excited for the Queen remake. वो फिल्म मुझे खुद बहुत पसंद आई है, and yeah, I am going to be a part of its remake in the south. So yeah, very excited. Yes, I finished shooting the Bahubali 2. It is definitely going to be bigger and better for you guys. I am sure you won't be disappointed. Sorry? Plans. Well, I normally don't have anything very brilliant planned, but I would want to spend this New Year's with my family. बिकॉज मैं हमेशा ट्रैवल करती रहती हूँ. वी एनीवे ट्रैवल सो मच थैंक्स टू अ जॉब. कभी कभी फैमिली के साथ वक्त बिताने का मौका नहीं मिलता. सो दिस ईयर इज कंप्लीटली विद माय फैमिली. आप आज इतना डल क्यों हैं? बताइए. आपने तो बहुत अच्छी शर्ट पहनी है. Yes, it's by an amazing international designer called Mr. Langer. So yeah, Mr. Langer, yeah.
Also, 16 December was the Nirbhaya event, you know, the Nirbhaya case, 16 December.
Right,
So
right.
anything that you would like to say on this issue, you know, how safe is women these days?
Well, I think at least अभी awareness है कि एक problem है, बल्कि there is a huge awareness. And I think it starts with having awareness. Of course, we really need to educate people a lot more. And it's a long way to go, but शुरुआत तो हुई है. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Good to see you.
हाँ, इसके आगे तो स्टारडस्ट में मुझे मेरा पहला अवार्ड मिला था. स्टारडस्ट में मुझे मेरा पहला अवार्ड मिला था. So I want to see who wins, and I hope the best newcomer wins because it takes a lot to be an actor and it's not easy. Yeah.
Are you still doing circus or have you opted out of the film?
Sorry?
So you're not doing circus.
The script is they're still writing the script, so it's too early for me to take this call. You know.
Okay, but have you signed it?
No, not yet. I haven't heard the film yet.
New Year plans and Salman's birthday is coming up.
Yes.
So what are your plans like on that?
New Year plans. I think I'm gonna have dinner with my sister, but I don't know if Salman's is celebrating his birthday.
And Panvel,
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if he is.
Have you been approached by Farooq Kabir for a romantic film? Is it?
Yes, we're in talks with something very nice. But let's see. You know, I still haven't signed the film, so I don't know.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Honestly, it's my first award function that I'm attending in Bollywood. So I'm actually very nervous because I haven't been here on this platform before, but I'm very, very excited. It's something that I've grown up watching. I'm an ardent TV watcher, and normally New Year's पे चलते थे ये सारे shows. So I remember bringing in many New Year's, watching a lot of award functions. I feel very honoured that I'm a part of it.
What are your forthcoming projects? What are you working
I'm currently shooting for Atithi in London. We're done with about 80% of the shoot. And yeah, we start the next kid in January. Thank you. Thanks so much. Of course, बहुत excited हूँ. In fact, demonetization की वजह से भी I think film is still doing well. It has recovered its principal amount, and I'm very happy that a lot of people have also liked it, and there are people who not liked it, but I think every film has a mixed review. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि लोगों को जो thriller है उसका जो thrill part है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. People are appreciating my work, and for me there is nothing more exciting than this, and definitely आगे के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मेहनत तो करनी ही है. और so I'm looking forward to be part of more films and do better work that I can.
Salman's birthday is coming up. Any plans on that one?
Well, plans he's going to make. We're just going to go and have fun. So yeah. बहुत सारे ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले. आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मुझे लड़कियों से मिले, विच आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज. आई थॉट गाइज वुड बी गोइंग गागा ओवर मी, बट आई थिंक गर्ल्स हैव बिकम लॉट ऑफ गर्ल क्रश नाउअडेज फॉर लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स. आई थिंक दैट रियली फील्स नाइस, एंड आई थिंक आजकल जो गर्ल्स एक दूसरे को अपलिफ्ट कर रही है, इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग, बट इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड इट्स वेरी एक्सेप्टेबल. एंड आई होप लाइक दैट girls learn something and just keep uplifting people rather than pulling them down. So you just feel good when girls compliment you, Hi, this is Sana Khan. I want to wish everyone a very happy New Year. Thank you.
good evening, everyone.
What are your expectations at this award? You've been a part of many awards. How significant are awards in your life these days?
You see, what I love in the award is the thrill, the excitement of new people, new talent coming up, making such a wonderful films, doing a wonderful job, and then get award. I'm reminded of my younger age, and I really come here to bless them. I enjoy them. This is more of a festival and a festivity of film fraternity, and I really love it. There should be more award, and newcomer must win. Maximum new talent must come.
What are you busy with currently, and when do we see you back again on service?
You know, I'm in a running university, practically a college, and creating filmmakers in the field. So now I'm definitely going to produce a few movies next year, and I will announce very soon. There is only two things. One is the Nayak, one is the Khalnayak. And the Nayak returns, and the Khalnayak returns. And the Nayak returns, what happens to the Khalnayak returns? When they return, they clash. And what happens, they clash. That is the future. Thank you.
Actually, I landed yesterday और आज मैंने काफ़ी करण की भी शूटिंग की और स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स भी थे, so I had to come. परिणीति एक मेरे लिए सरप्राइज ट्रिब्यूट दे रही है, so I wanted to come and see that. And मैंने इंडियन रेड कार्पेट इतने सालों से इतने दिनों से नहीं किया, तो अवार्ड भी मैं बड़ी एक्साइटेड थी इंडियन कपड़े पहन के रेड कार्पेट पे आने के लिए. पता था? For me to know and you to find out.
That is the entire, that is what the people on social media are saying. So absolutely. What do you have to say when, because we were taken aback seeing only that 1 second shot.
The film releases in May, and we are in November, December when the trailer released. So keep watching. There's a lot more coming up. Is all I'll say. Do you identify with her? Or would you like to see the film? She was also very brave. Absolutely, but I think what is very important to remember about the Nirvana case is to not forget what happened and to continue the conversation which people forget about, and I think that's very important. जी हाँ, मैं 2 फिल्में करने वाली हूँ अगले साल, क्योंकि क्वांटिटी सीजन 2 और 3 के बीच में वो कौन सी होंगी वो डिसाइड करने आई हूँ यहाँ पे जनवरी में. आई विल डिसाइड बाय जनवरी. मैं काम कर रही हूँ रोज. आई एम वर्किंग टिल द 29th. रोज सबसे पहले आप आई तो क्या मैंने अपनी खिड़कियाँ खोली और बॉम्बे की खुशबू का अंदर हुआ सबसे ज़्यादा. थैंक्स बाय. feel very excited, and I'm thankful to people who have looked for me and wanted to know about me and are curious about me. I think Indian talent deserves to be on the top 10 of the list actually, and I'm really glad that I've been able to reach that position, and I hope other actors do too.
But wouldn't you say you're having the last laugh there, given the fact that when you started out in America, life was not very easy for you there?
But when I started out in India, Bombay, life wasn't easy either. Whenever you start off anywhere, even if it was in the movie industry for me in the beginning, life is never easy. You have to work really hard to come to a position where people learn and respect you. So I'm not someone who's like, abhi dekha. I don't do that. I'm just really happy.
The fact that you're the torchbearer for Indians in Hollywood, because you're the one who's actually made most successful actors.
Well, I'm very proud of it. I've worked very hard for it, and I've stood my ground. मैंने अपने terms पे किया है जो किया है, मैंने कभी compromise नहीं किया. So I think I'm really happy I've achieved what I did, and I hope that there's so much talent that we have here, the people also get that recognition and acceptance.
Do you see men making it big there, because no one has ever...
Try नहीं करते हैं, हिम्मत चाहिए. Come on guys, let me go. It was really nice. Coffee with Karan बहुत interesting था. अभी क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ
हमेशा होते हैं उनके शो पर कुछ
मेरे साथ कोई कोशिश कर सकता है. चुप जैसे घूरे जा रहे मुझे लगता है कि आज जो है वो दुनिया भर जाना चाहिए, एंड आई थिंक बस क्या I just dived into the film. So as and when something as special as a contribution as a producer that comes my way, let's definitely produce it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
How proud do you feel?
I actually don't know if I deserve it, but I'm really happy. I had like a strong competition, and I feel all the nominees were amazing. They were like great actors, and I really feel happy and yeah, very excited.
We see Jackie Chan coming down here to promote the film.
Yes, you will see. I've stopped like celebrating stuff. Now I only work or I sleep. I become boring in life. Kriti and Sushant. It was really nice for me to be getting it from Sushant and Kriti because Sushant was a part. He was the Dhoni in my film, and you know he was really nice. And Kriti had won best debut 2 years back, so it was really nice to be getting awards from them.
Disha, are you going to finish up the year part 2? I mean, never put that you will sign for the
What's up? How are you? Hi, this is Disha Bharti and wish all the viewers a very happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi.
Your album of today has been highly appreciated. People have been absolutely loving it. How happy do you feel about it?
Very happy, and now I'm performing every night and day, which we launched together with India. And Aapse Mausiki has crossed 25 million hits on the first 4 videos. So I'm very, very happy, very excited, and really looking forward to perform at this award. And Jumme Ki Raat, Hukka Bar, and every night and day, Aapse Mausiki.
Sir, fans will really love it if you could just sing one line of your performance.
आपसे आशिकी, आपसे मौसिकी, every night and day just me and you, तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार.
Salman's birthday is coming up. Any special wishes?
Salman bhai, you my mentor, you my brother, you everything to me. You have done so much for me. Very, very happy birthday to you. And बस और क्या कह सकते हैं, दिल से दुआ है.
मैं मुबारका फिल्म जो है मैं कर रहा था, तो उसके लिए मैं ये लुक ट्राई कर रहा था, मतलब एक आध लुक, मगर अनीस बाज़मी साहब ने ये लुक को रिजेक्ट कर दिया कि उन्होंने बोला नहीं आपको सरदार ही बनना पड़ेगा. तो उस फिल्म में मैं पगड़ी पहनूंगा, तो पगड़ी के अंदर ये होगा शायद, बट अभी उगा रहा हूँ मैं बात. Yeah, I just met him. Absolutely, it's a very, very proud moment for me. Absolutely, yeah. Couldn't have, it couldn't be better because this is second award. He's so I hope this streak continues.
Sir, मुबारक है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए. How's the shooting been going on?
शूटिंग अभी मैं 14 जैन से शूटिंग शुरू कर रहा हूँ. मगर अर्जुन साहब की शूटिंग शुरू हो गई. अर्जुन ने काम शुरू कर दिया. बड़ी खुशी की बात है, बड़ी खुशी की बात है. The birthday is like, I for me every day is a birthday, and I just roll. For me every day is a birthday, so nothing very special. Sorry? Thank you so much. Done?
sir, many congratulations.
धन्यवाद। इससे पहले कि आप कुछ पूछें मैं बोल ही देता हूँ आपको क्या पूछने वाले। स्टारडस्ट, सनसुई, कलर्स, इन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ इस पुरस्कार के लिए। ये फिल्म हमारे लिए और हम सब के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण थी। उसका विषय जो था वो बहुत ही अहम था। आज के समाज में मैंने हमेशा ऐसा माना है कि बेटियां जो हैं वो, उनका एक स्थान जो है, उनको इज़्ज़त और सम्मान मिलनी चाहिए। और इस फिल्म के द्वारा हमने जो कुछ भी कहा वो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत से लोगों के मन में घर किया उन्होंने। सबसे प्रथम बात जो ये थी कि जो इसका संवाद था, नो मीन्स नो, ये संवाद जो था इसने देश को एक तरह से एक चुनौती दी, एक नया वाक्य दिया। और इस बात की मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों ने इसकी प्रशंसा की, ख़ास तौर से हमारे देश की महिलाओं को। मेरा हमेशा मानना रहा है कि देश की महिलाओं जो हैं वो 50% शक्ति है हमारे देश की। दे मस्ट बी गिवन द डिग्निटी एंड द रिस्पेक्ट दैट दे डिज़र्व, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद अ कॉज थ्रू अ फिल्म दैट प्रोपेगेट्स दिस डायलॉग। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Best actress.
Thank you very much, but you know, I prefer in English.
This is your first performance at an award ceremony.
It is.
How was it, and how exciting was it?
It was amazing, you know. It was a great energy on the stage, and the dancers helped me so much. So I really enjoyed it.
Right. Your music album is also being highly appreciated. So anything on that front you would like to say?
Himesh's album, yes, and our song seems to be very well received by the audience. So I'm very happy about that.
Now that you've performed here and you've done a lot of stuff, what is keeping you away from Bollywood?
I don't know. Music is my passion, so I'm following this passion.
Right. Salman's birthday is also coming up. Any special plans on that front? What will you like to gift him this time around?
I don't know. All my respect and my love.
Okay. All right. Salman was also here as a senior performance. He was there yesterday for the technical awards as well. So any tips or inputs that he shared with you as far as performance goes, because he's a pro out there?
I've said it before, you know, when you enjoy what you do, when you just be yourself and enjoy yourself, then...
But no, any special tips from Salman that you perhaps would take?
This is the tip that I think we should all follow, right?
Right. What are your plans for the new year?
For the new year, I don't know. Just to do more that I love. These are my plans for the next year, actually.
Okay, but will you be in India?
Yes, I'll be here.
And any plans for December 27th?
Yeah, probably I'll celebrate.
One will, right?
We'll see. We'll see. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Excuse me? Okay, everyone, wish you a lovely, happiest New Year.
as you know, I have been nominated tonight in the role of Best Actor in a Negative Role for my role in Mohenjo-daro. I'm very glad to be nominated in this category, especially by Stardust, because I was there when Stardust was born, when Nari Hira thought of it, when a lady called Shobha Rajadyaksha became the editor, the first editor, and she's now Shobha Day. So it's a long history I have with Stardust, and I'm very grateful to be nominated in this role, in this category of Best Actor in a Negative Role, and may the best man win. Thank you.
स्वराज भी नॉमिनेटेड, मैं नॉमिनेट हुई हूँ, फिल्म नॉमिनेट हुई है, तो अच्छी बात है कि ऑडियंसेस को अच्छी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है, ऑडियंस को एक अच्छी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है। मैं अभी बरेली की बर्फ़ी मैंने ख़त्म किया हुआ है, तो वो रिलीज़ होगा 21 जुलाई को टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, जंगली पिक्चर्स और BR फिल्म्स के साथ। आयुष्मान खुराना, कृति सेनन, राजकुमार है उसमें। थैंक यू।
Well, I'm styled by Sylvie Gupta, and as far as the evening is concerned, it's Stardust, the biggest awards of the year, and I'm looking forward to the evening. And I loved Neerja this year, so I hope Neerja wins. It's been nominated, and looking forward to Jacqueline Fernandez's performance and celebrating films tonight. Well, I'm shooting with Girish Malik at the moment. The film is called Bandit Maharaja, and it's been produced by Wave Cinema, so shooting for that currently. Thank you so much.
Stardust and Sashimi Stardust Awards. So I'm super excited. There's so many of my friends who are nominated, so many talented people. I mean, it's anybody's guess. So I'm very excited to hear the results. Sonam is nominated, Alia is nominated, so I'm praying and wishing them all the best, and huge congratulations to all the nominees. It's very well deserved.
What are your expectations from this award ceremony, and how many awards will you be taking back home tonight?
I have no expectations, man. I'm here to enjoy. It's a nice place and good vibes.
A lot of songs have been blockbusters. Almost every song that you've seen is a blockbuster. So which has been your personal favorite this year?
This year, I think Channa Mera I really like. So,
दो लाइन गा सकते हैं कैमरा के लिए?
sir, please,
आपने इस साल में मतलब मुझे धमाका मचा दिया है गानों में, लेकिन थोड़ी साल खत्म होने को है, अगले साल को किस तरीके से देखते हैं, कितने ब्लॉकबस्टर्स और देने वाले हैं?
मैं नहीं देता हूँ ब्लॉकबस्टर्स, वो सब दूसरे लोग कॉल्स होते हैं. डायरेक्टर्स इंजॉय, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स हैं इनवाइट.
प्लानिंग क्या है आपकी?
मेरी कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है. मैं तो फ्लो में चलता हूँ, देखते हैं क्या होता है. कहाँ पे तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. वहाँ पे लोग भी देख पाएंगे. अच्छी बात है, अच्छी सबके लिए अच्छा है. क्रिसमस प्लान केक खाऊंगा.
दो लाइन प्लीज अपने फैंस के लिए, अगर आप सुनना सकें.
मिस कर दो मेरा सेकंड है प्लीज. हो गया सलमान खान को क्या करना. हाँ, हैप्पी बर्थडे सलमान सर. मैंने अभी तक आपको किसने बताया किसी कुछ नहीं.
I'm just here to have a lot of fun. This is essentially my first award function that I'm attending. I'm attending with a very dear friend of mine, Ashley Rubello, who is again nominated tonight. So I will be cheering for him and just here to experience it and enjoy it.
We also saw that Instagram post where Ashley said that perhaps you would do double three with Salman. Is that true? What are the talks like with Salman?
I can't say much about that, but you know, if dreams come true, then maybe.
You would like to work with him?
100%. No, actually, 1000%. Thank you. I would say this is my first award function which I'm attending, and last year I was down with fracture, so this is my first award function, and I'm very happily dressed and. Well, I'm doing a South movie, a Telugu movie, and I'm doing a web series. Thank you. आज शाम को मयूर गिरोत्रा जो डिज़ाइनर है उन्होंने मुझे स्टाइल किया है। ये उनका इंस्पिरेशन है जैसे मैं आज लगी हूँ। I think any person in the film industry is a part of any award, because when you're here, you're supporting all the people that are participating in it. You're supporting all the winners. And that's basically it. I don't have a film in Marathi right now that's coming out. मैं थोड़ा बहुत देख रही हूँ। मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरा कोई अभी तक ऐसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट नहीं है, पर मुझे लोका की ऑनेस्टी काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है। शी इज़ अ लिटिल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड लड़की। अभी मैं इतना भी क्लियरली नहीं देख रही हूँ कि मैं कोई बोलूँ कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये इंसान जीते। आई थिंक जो भी सबसे अच्छा करेगा वो जीतेगा। I plan to be in Bombay for the New Year. I plan to enjoy my New Year with all the Mumbaikars. Could you please wish the viewers a New Year? I'd like to wish all the viewers a very happy New Year. Thank you. Thank you.
looking for a good time, you know, entertaining myself and just enjoying the night, that's it.
Right. Salman's birthday is coming up. The entire industry is excited. What are your plans this time around, and any surprise gifts that you're planning?
I don't think that he's a person who would, you know, like a gift or something. In my way, I donate a small amount to Being Human, and that's my way of gifting him something on his birthday.
On the professional front, what are the films lined up? When do we see it?
I'm shooting for Ram Ratan right now, and then next year I'm starting a new film which I'm very excited about. Yes. It's a rom-com. No, I'm not performing. This year I've made sure that I want to spend some time with my family, my nephews. So yeah. Of course, yes. Wishing all the viewers a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Are you done? Thank you so much.
बड़ा अजीब सा सवाल पूछा यार, मतलब मैं आया हूँ इसका मतलब है कि मायने रखते हैं। रिकग्निशन आपके काम का रिकग्निशन होता है, वो आपको अच्छा लगता है और आप यू नो इट्स ऑलवेज अ ऑनर टू बी नॉमिनेटेड। Kangana is a fantastic artist, a wonderful actor, and I mean we had a great time.
After winning multiple national awards, how was she evolved as an actress for you?
She is a very very fine actress. I mean in addition to being a star, so वो क्या है सोने पे सुहागा है कि a really wonderful actress and a very big star. And I mean she is truly a collaborator. She collaborates really closely on the film.
Sir, one of the issues which has again cropped up on front is something that you have also been very passionate about. Censor board CBFC with Nehlani taking a stand which is very contrary in case of Basic Ray and cutting the scenes of other deserving films. What is your take on this entire issue?
Nothing यार, ये खत्म नहीं होगा. मतलब what is the point complaining when you know nothing is going to change? That's what I'm saying. What is the point complaining when nothing is going to change? I think we have to find our way through this.
But were you also surprised when Basic Ray got passed without any cut?
No, I'm not. Why should you be surprised? I mean now, it's become a joke now. If Rajkumar has said it, it must be true, no? Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very excited. It's Stardust, so I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be super commercial and super full of masala. So very excited. Actually the getup is for something I'm working on right now. In 20 days you'll have an announcement. In 20 days you'll know. Right now I can't talk about it, but it's with a very esteemed filmmaker, and he's made some amazing films. So I'm working on a project with him, and this is for his work. Thank you.
मेरे लिए पहली बार है नॉमिनेट हुआ हूँ मैं. मैंने साउथ में थोड़ा बहुत काम किया, बट नॉमिनेशन कभी नहीं हुआ. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. आई एम मिसिंग माई को स्टार ऑलवेज. आई एम मिसिंग ऑल माई को स्टार्स, बट उनका 50% डिप्लोमेटिक, मतलब आप उसका कुछ बना देंगे तो मेरा अवार्ड वहाँ से छिन जाएगा. I have signed an action film with Joy sir. बिजॉय नाम बेस्ट. अभी नाम बाहर नहीं आया, बट इट्स अ हाई ऑक्टेन एक्शन ड्रामा. It's a remake of a blockbuster Mani Ratnam sir's film called Agni Nakshatram. I'm really excited about it और prepping as much as I can. अभी कास्ट पूरी फाइनलाइज नहीं हुई है. हाँ, एक रशियन फिल्म का ऑफर है. जी 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 जी. मतलब आई वुड लव टू, क्योंकि एट दिस अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ माई करियर अगर इस तरह का मुझे ऑफर आए, इट्स अ बिग थिंग. So I definitely want to, but I also want to be very clear about my love for commercial Bollywood cinema. So I definitely want to do everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Harsh. What are your expectations from this award ceremony? You won Best Debut Award at Star Screen as well. So excited, nervous, what are the feelings?
You know, it's just good to be at these functions and be part of award season and be nominated. It feels nice. You know, it doesn't happen too often in your career, so it's a good start, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Right. What are the projects that you have signed up? What are you busy with currently?
Yeah, so I'm shooting Bhavesh Joshi right now, directed by Vikramaditya Motwane, produced by Phantom Films. I'm in talks to do 2 films. One is a biopic, and one's I can't tell you, I can't talk about it, but you'll know soon. And another one is a slightly darker film. So I'm not sure about both of those films, but I'm really looking forward to them if they happen. But I'm only shooting Bhavesh Joshi right now. We're talking about a film, but I'm not sure if that's happening now. No, that's not true. I never opted out of the film, but hi, how are you doing? Yeah. How's it going? Good. So yeah, it's I didn't opt out of that film. It's just it takes a lot, you know, for your dates have to be in order, and there are a lot of things that go into saying yes or no for a film, and it's a conversation that's going on between the director and the actor, and then an article comes and it's just badly timed, and so I'm not sure about that film. So I can't tell you if I'm doing it, I can't tell you if I'm not doing it for sure. But I'm shooting Bhavesh Joshi, and I'm in talks for a biopic. So.
Sir, is the biopic again a sports-based one, or is it?
I can't tell you. Sorry, I can't tell you.
But how exciting will it be if it happens for you?
If it happens, it'll keep me busy for over a year, I think.
Physical transformation we can expect.
Yeah, it's very psychological, and the guy is a very interesting guy, you know. So.
Someone who is still alive, or?
Yeah, very much so.
Okay, alright. Also, your father Anil Kapoor has been receiving a lot of admiration on social media for his new haircut.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
Well, I wasn't aware of it. I mean, I saw it on social media, and it's good, right, to keep reinventing, and that's what he's done throughout his career. He's kept doing different things, and it looks great, you know. So, although he's playing a Sardar in his next film, so I don't think the haircut's for that, but it's fun, you know. Thank you.
really looking forward to the performances and yeah, to just get entertained. वो मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ, वो एक सरप्राइज है, बट जी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट एंड it's releasing on 31st of March and the movie's naam Shabana. Sorry? क्या? जी ये मैंने सुना. Well, I wish him lots of love, health and happiness. So yeah.
And actually why this happened? Nervous feel करती हैं आप या excited?
बहुत excited. He's super funny. Like you just end up laughing while working with him, and yeah, which is great fun. And really, it's just amazing. Great experience to work with Akshay sir. So live and tell them that no, I'm sorry. This is the schedule of mine, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Could you assure viewers on New Year's and Christmas?
Yes, Merry Christmas everyone, and I wish you a Happy New Year. Just keep on spreading love and life and be happy. Thank you.
everybody. Hi, good evening. So I'm nominated for the best debut for my film Sala Khadoos, and that's why I'm here. Yeah. Shah Rukh Khan, yes. Hell yes, yeah, obviously. Thank you.
What are you doing next?
I'm doing films in Tamil, down south, and one in Telugu as well, which is the remake of Sala Khadoos in Telugu. So that, yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
What do you want? Kajol looking really pretty in black.
Okay.
Kajol, what are you looking forward to? award ceremony? What is going to keep you really excited?
I don't know really what's going to keep me excited, but I'm hoping to enjoy myself for sure. And yeah, that's it.
You're also marking your return to South cinema with Dhanush in VIP. So how exciting would that be for you? Tell us something more about it.
I'm a little apprehensive, to be honest. But yes, I am very, very excited. I love the fact that, I'm going back to Tamil after a very, very long time. But yeah, I'm excited about it.
Now they are again annoying, mainly Pakistan. So do you think this is the right step for you to continue now?
I think anything where the film industry gets a break, where the film industry, where it's a positive sign, etc., is a good thing. So I'm all for the film industry. Enough. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, everybody.
अभी हम लोगों ने तय कर लिया है कि हम जहाँ जाएंगे रेड कारपेट पे साथ में जाएंगे। हाँ, खास वजह है कि मेरे भाई हैं तो
Kapil is coming up. We are loving your villainous avatar. We are also looking forward to seeing you brothers together on the same first time. How exciting is that going to be for you guys?
See, for me it's extremely exciting because A, I get to work with my brother in this film. B, we are both doing negative roles. C, if you take us both out of the film, there is no film. D, both of us are working with Sanjay Gupta the first time. We both worked with him separately, but this is the first time. Sanjay Gupta is also like a third brother to us. D, it's got Hrithik Roshan in it. That's exhilarating. It's a film craft film. Rakesh ji, Gudu ji and me go back a very, very long way. So there are multiple reasons.
But is the clash with Shah Rukh Khan's raise a cause of concern for you personally? Because Rakesh has said that it's very unethical on his part to come and clash in with Kapil.
Sir, I would not want to comment on who has said and what not has been said on this matter. My personal opinion on this is that it is not necessary that if two films release on the same day, only one has to do well. Both the films are good, both will do well. And I take this opportunity to wish SRK and Reis all the best. नहीं, हमारे बीच में वैसा रिश्ता है नहीं। एक्चुअली ये मुझसे बड़े हैं, लेकिन मैं इनको बुली करता हूँ, चाहे वो सेक्स पे हो या घर पे हो। ये बात सही है। अब झूठ क्या बोलूँगा, लेकिन जब साथ में काम करते हैं तो नाउ आई रिस्पेक्ट हिज स्पेस। अर्लियर आई यूज्ड टू बुली हिम देन आल्सो। It's been a fun ride. I think Kapil will be very interesting for the audiences for obviously the reasons he listed. But for me personally, it was just great to be working with him and sharing screen space with him. Thank you very much. All the best.
लगता है। और क्या बोल सकते और क्या बोल विशेष इच्छा वो भी नहीं मालूम, मैं कभी इच्छा करती नहीं किसी चीज़ की। भगवान जो देता है उसको हम ले लेते हैं बस। खुद का ऐसा ये नहीं होता कि हमको ये चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए। जो आता है गाना गाते गए, आज तक गा रहे, 72 साल हो गए गा रही हूँ और गाती रहूँगी। तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कुछ ये मांगा है भगवान से, उसने दिया है।
आशा जी, प्रियंका चोपड़ा जिनके बारे में आपने कहा था कि आपके जीवन में अगर कोई फिल्म बने तो
क्योंकि वो सिंगर है, वो गाना बहुत अच्छा गाती है और वो बहुत अच्छा आर्टिस्ट है और बहुत मिलनसार भी है। मेरे साथ उसकी कोई पहचान नहीं थी, फिर भी मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे अंदर लेके जाना, सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ाना, ऐसा कोई भी काम उसने ऐसे नहीं दिखाया कि वो बड़ी आर्टिस्ट है और मैं कौन हूँ क्या। तो जो स्वभाव का अच्छा होता है वो इंसान अच्छा लगता है।